brand Hamilton Beach, color green product dimensions, 3.6 D into 8.5, W into 11.8, H blade material, stainless steel, special, feature manual controls, type push button item, weight 3.13 pounds. Model name vintage style 5-speed electric hand mixer by Hamilton Beach is dishwasher safe. Yes, container material plastic. The Hamilton Beach vintage style 5-speed electric hand mixer is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. With its sleek design, vibrant green color, and compact size, this hand mixer not only delivers exceptional performance, but also adds a touch of retro charm to your countertop. One of the standout features of this hand mixer is its powerful motor and 5-speed control options. Whether you're whipping cream, mixing batter, or kneading dough, you can easily adjust the speed to achieve the perfect consistency for your recipe. The push-button controls are responsive and intuitive, allowing for effortless operation. The stainless steel blades are not only durable, but also ensure efficient mixing.